Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. I'm Shimani Yao from TimeLink, China. We are very great pleasure to introduce you our latest IFPD products, TM3.0 interactive flat panel display. This one is 65-inch with embedded Android 8 and very slim bezel, only 14 mm. Yeah. And here we have unique bottom bezel design with 15 250-watt speakers to create clear and vibrant sound while in a very large meeting room. And here we embedded with Windows 10 systems. We can slide to Windows OPS by slide to your fingers and enter into Windows OPS. And we can pop up the floating menu under any source. You can go back to Android and Windows OPS. Here now, ISE is a cloud-based software developed by TimeLink. And we can distinguish the small pen, fat pen, finger, and thumb, and palm. Here we can write, and we can choose different color by fat pen, do the remark. And for finger, we can do accurate eraser, or palm for big eraser, yes. And we can import pictures or PDF or Word and Excel here. We can do marks on here. And move and zoom in and zoom out. And we can import stickers, yeah. We can do stickers here, and you can erase, and you can to add one and choose different colors. We can have screen split, which is convenient for two students to write at the same time. Yeah, each one is independent, and each one can be set as different color. We can write at the same time and erase at the same time. Yeah, we can also choose different backgrounds. And we have very rich gesture recognition. One finger presses the screen, it will enter into drawing a circle. And okay, what's the problem? Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out. Oh, maybe cut. Okay, 3 fingers press the screen. It will drawing a straight line. Oh, maybe you can cut later. Hold on, no. Because I need to handle this. Okay. Okay. And then we can back to Windows, and we can play a video with very sound. You can play a video, a song, which create very sonorous sound. Yeah. Here is the 65, and we have other series. The TB series is for optical bonding. There is no gap between glass and panel, which brings very fantastic experience. Okay, and next, welcome to visit our website, www.timelink.cn. This was, thanks for your attention.